Hello, today let's look at how to change one page of your document to become landscape. So if you have a document and you want to change one of the pages to be landscape, first you go to the page that you want to change to landscape. So you know we have two type of orientation. So we have the portrait and landscape. So when you type a document, by default, all the pages will be in portrait. But supposing you want to change one of the pages or any of the pages to become landscape, this is how you go about it. So the page that you want to change into landscape, you select the text on that page. So for this is P2. So I want to change the P2 to landscape. So I will select the text. Then I'll click on layout, the tab layout. So then I look for this set page setup launcher. So page setup launcher, this icon, then you click on it. So when you come here, you see the orientation. The orientation is by default portrait, but you want to change it to landscape. So you select landscape, then you come down here where you see apply to, then you click down the arrow here, then you select selected text. So when you are under the orientation, we have choosing landscape, then apply to, we choose selected text, then you click on OK. So when you are done, you see that the first page is still portrait, but the second page is landscape. So this is how to convert a page in Microsoft Word to be a landscape. So thank you very much.